got, Griff?
What is it?
Oh, good.
Yeah. Shall we put it back in the box for now and get another one? Let's get another one then.
Get another one?
Yeah. Anything. Who's this off now? Let's see. Look, from Omi and Grandad, look. Oh, you lucky boy. Oh. You can open it with Mummy. Look all that. Go on then. Oh, cars! Oh, aren't they lovely? What's that? It's a fire engine and a police car and an ambulance. Wow! Wow! Is that good, sweetie?
I'd rather have the paper.
Wow! Look, they've got eyes. Nothing.
I think they're
Thank you very
magnetic.
much.
I think they're magnetic and they all do
They
it.
all go in a row, look. Wow, yeah. I like
Is
that.
there one everything now?
You like them, don't you? Yeah. Yeah. It's a box. What's next then? Oh, that's off CAD. Now that's supposed to be interesting, isn't it?
Is there some kind of clothing?
Now what's Uncle CAD got you?
I bet it's ooh, it's a lovely
What
face
is
up.
it?
What does it say?
What is it? Yeah, you like the label, don't you?
Is it the right size? It looks a bit small.
It's a year to a year and a half.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. No,
Yeah,
it's got
that's
some-
Oh yeah, no, it does no stretch.
Yeah.
Is that true? Is that true, Griff?
Oh.
That's why I said you got to open it while you're both there.
Yeah. Is it good? Thank you, Kevin. Yeah?
Uncle Kevin got your
I'll
present.
send him a card to say thank you. Next.
Is that you as well?
Yeah. What's in here? Open it. Come on. Put your hand. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Oh, what's Mummy and Daddy got you? Oh, look!
That.
Look! It's some animals to go in his ark.
Oh,
Yeah, look. Camels and birdies down in Bach. Down in Bach. Yeah. Wow. Is that good? You've got so many toys. Yeah.